On a rather quiet day of trade ahead of that crucial FOMC meet, it was 58.50 on the Nifty, backed by very low volumes and a weak market breadth. You did have the broader markets which saw a slight degree of underperformance, although they too ended flat and with a marginal negative bias. You had the IT index which really shone in the session. The technology pack was also very active. Real estate and consumer durables, on the other hand, were down and out. So top gainers, HCL Technologies was your top Nifty gainer, gaining something like 4%. Dr. Reddy's followed suit. Ronboxy saw a relief rally after the 30% knock it saw yesterday, and Ultratech Cement was pretty active on the upside. Select stocks in focus. Some of those gold loan companies like Manappuram and Muthoot were down as the RBI tightened the rules to lend against gold jewellery. They say that now strict documentation for higher value loans, making charges on jewellery, all of that will no more be added for LTV calculations. And the loans above 1 lakh will have to be disbursed by cheque. Most of the analysts believe that these norms will certainly entail more paperwork, but will be healthy in the long term for the sector. All of your fertilizer counters, in fact, were rather weak in today's session. Reliance Media Works, that was active, in fact, on the downside as it raised close to 588 crores by selling shares to existing shareholders. That was about close to 14 crore shares, sold at a price of 40 rupees a piece. All of the UB Group stocks too were in the limelight on the downside as the Karnataka High Court has directed United Breweries Holdings to file an audit report within a week, and Kingfisher employees are entitled to a hearing before the winding up is admitted. Apart from that, you did have Fresenius Kabi, which was in focus as the promoters made a delisting offer to acquire all the publicly held shares for a price of 390 crore rupees. Apart from that, Reliance Broadcast too was pretty active as the board will be considering a delisting from the exchanges come tomorrow. And you did have select counters from the pharmaceutical basket which took it in the chin. Apart from that, banking as a whole were pretty weak today. So Bank of Baroda, Axis as well as IndusInd Bank in the limelight on the downside.